Flor Fill RSG is a unique pinhole filler, and the application is very simple. Start by shaking the pail. Then pour the material into a calibrated container. This will be part 1. After adding the Flor Fill to the sprayer, add 2 equal parts of water. The mixing ratio is always 2 to 1. Shake the sprayer to mix the material and pressurize. Prepare the grinder by loading the plates with a set of number 1 transitional ceramic diamonds. The number 1 is a 100 grit diamond. This tool will produce the dust we need for the reaction with the Flor Fill. With the vacuum disconnected, begin by spraying the material on the floor under the machine. Your coverage rate after mixing should be around 300 square feet per gallon. Start the machine and move the grinder over the wet substrate. Continue spraying material in front of the grinder. You want enough material on the floor to keep the surface wet. If the floor dries out under the grinder, the friction will pull the grout out of the holes. Spray just enough on the back pass to prevent the surface from drying out. Start the next row and overlap at least 1/3 to prevent any ridges from forming. Swing the machine on the back pass to help lay the grout coat down evenly. This will also knock down any ridges or heavy lines of material. Continue the application until the entire surface has been covered with a thin layer of grout evenly. Allow the grout coat to dry completely. This may take 1 to 2 hours depending on the ambient temperature. After the surface is completely dry, use a rubber squeegee to remove any pieces of debris that may be laying on the surface. This will prevent fugitive scratches from forming during the grout removal. To remove the grout layer from the surface, we will use a 200 grit resin bonded diamond. Run these passes as you would any normal polishing pass. Be sure to hit the entire area. You should have good clarity and an increase in surface refinement right away. That's all there is to it.